Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how I whiten my teeth and how I keep them that way. So if you'd like to find out my tips and tricks, then just keep watching. I have tried lots of different techniques, and what I'm sharing with you today is what I have found to be the most convenient, the most cost-effective, and the easiest way to maintain white teeth. Okay, I'm sorry if this first tip is really annoying or just super obvious, but over the years I've tried all sorts of crazy techniques to whiten my teeth, and the one way that truly works the best is going to your dentist and getting a professional whitening. Now you've got two options at the dentist, and one is actually getting the whitening done while you are there, and the other option is to get some trays made, and you can take these home with you and use some whitening solution and do it yourself at home. I chose to get the trays made and whiten my teeth at home, and there were two reasons for this. One, the results actually last longer than the in-chair whitening, and two, it means that I can top up my whitening at home anytime I feel like my teeth have discolored a little bit. So for me, this was definitely the best option. So basically all that's involved is getting impressions taken of your upper and lower teeth, and then a week later I went back and got these trays, which are perfectly fitted to my teeth, and that means that they also speed up the whitening process because the whitening gel gets to exactly where it is supposed to go. And the difference here with the gel solution that you actually get from a dentist is that it is much stronger and therefore far more effective than what you can actually buy online. Now the other thing I do, and there is no science to back this up, and no, this isn't a sponsored post. I bought this product online when it was blowing up on everyone's Instagram feeds, and I actually believe that it works. And as I said, there is nothing to back it up, but I do use it occasionally. And I also met someone who uses it, and she has the whitest teeth on the planet. So I do occasionally use this, and when I say occasionally, it's probably once a month I will use it. And it is messy and it looks a bit gross, but I do believe that it actually works. A lot of keeping your teeth white is actually keeping them clean and well brushed. I've always used an electric toothbrush for a long time, and I recently got this beautiful rose gold Philips toothbrush, and this heavy duty glass doubles as a charger. So while it looks pretty sitting on your bathroom vanity, it also charges your toothbrush at the same time. And this particular brush claims to whiten your teeth in just 1 week, and I think it does that pretty much by giving them such a good clean. And it has 5 different settings, which also helps. Now it comes in this really cool travel case, so when you're going away you can just pop it in this case and keep it nice and safe in your luggage. And then it can be charged with this USB cord that plugs into your laptop or a ordinary power cord. And I do think if you make brushing your teeth a whole lot easier and more fun, you are more likely to do a better job. That's just what I think. So that's it really. I have tried internet whitening kits and whitening toothpastes and all sorts of things over the years, but I have found that going to the professionals and either getting an in-chair whitening service or getting the trays made like I did and persevering at home and whitening your teeth yourself at home is really the best way to get started. And then it's really just a case of maintaining your teeth, keeping them clean, and keeping them white is the easy part. Getting them that way in the first place does require a little bit more effort, but in my opinion, it's worth it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love you to give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.